Hey there, in this video, I'm going to give you a little walkthrough of my 100-day project 2023. These are days 11 through 20. Most of them ended up being, again, some booklets, and most of them are fabric booklets with some paper inside and, of course, the stitching. My theme this year is to use paper and to use textiles, fabrics, different things, and also to do some stitching. I love this one because I actually added some stitching to the back of it. This one was actually done with paper. The whole thing was done with paper. And I did some painting papers and other random papers inside, and the covers are paper. And then I just did the stitching, hand stitching on the outside, and then I did some sewing machine stitching also. Kind of the whole thought of is using stitching, why not use the sewing machine as well? I had to get it fixed, and now that it's fixed, I'm using it. This one, I just added a whole bunch of slow stitching to it and some paper on the inside of this one. There's a bunch of different hand-painted papers, and I love the details. This one I actually did a lot of stitching on. And this is one of my favorites. I absolutely love this cover. This is from a tea towel napkin set I got years ago from Anthropology. And I really love these seed stitches. So I did quite a bit of those. It's very convenient to do those in the car. In fact, I did that one, I think, while my husband was in the grocery store. Some more papers, and then the back of this one. And I like the kind of I don't say floppiness, but just this loose way that these covers work with the papers glued, or rather sewn inside. I like that they're just sort of loose and free. Here's another little mini one. You can kind of get the perspective when I'm holding them. This one I kind of filled in the flower a little bit with some French knots. And here's another one with some of the seed stitches, more papers, and then a few more little stitches on that as well. Now this one is actually a clip. It's a clip, and I created this little strip, I guess, of fabric, did some stitching on it, and added some other elements. So now I've got this really pretty clip. So it's kind of whatever I feel like doing. Sometimes, looks like most of the time I'm doing these little booklets, which feels like what I'm being called to do right now. But then I decided to do a clip and see how that turned out. So I'm probably going to do some more of those. And this is day 20. I really love these colors together. I kind of got carried away on the seed stitching this past 10 days. And some more stitching in here. And painted papers and pages, and then some more on the outside. So that is my days from 11 through 20 of the 100-day project 2023. I hope you enjoyed it.